1. Asterisk snake plant sansevieria, by Foschot, known for its striking, upright leaves and ability to purify the air. 2. Asterisk Bees Lily Spathiphyllum Wallacea elegant plant, with white blooms and dark green leaves that can add a touch of serenity to any room. 3. Asterisk Fiddle Leaf Ichthys lyratus stylish plant with large, violin-shaped leaves that can add a touch of sophistication to your home. For asterisk Dracana spp, a versatile plant with slender leaves that can grow quite tall, perfect for adding a touch of drama to your space. 5. Asterisk Philodendron spp, asterisk a heart-leaf plant that can trail down or grow up, perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your home. 6. Asterisk Succulents, for example, Aloe, Echeveria, grasswood low-maintenance plants with striking, sculptural shapes that can add a touch of modernity to your space. 7. Asterisk Boston Fern Nephroepices alt at Aya Lush, green plant with delicate fronds that can add a touch of tropical elegance to your home. 8. Asterisk English Ivy Header a Helix versatile, evergreen plant that can be trained to climb or trail, perfect for adding a touch of classic elegance to your space. 9. Asterisk Bird of Paradise Strelitzi Origine, stunning plant with bright or Indian purple blooms that can add a touch of exotic elegance to your home. 10. Asterisk Pothose Epipremnumorium, a maintenance plant with heart-shaped leaves that can trail down or grow up, perfect for adding a touch of effortless elegance to your space. These plants are not only beautiful, but they can also help purify the air and improve the ambience of your home.